Okay, so hey guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the Sigma Buster 100 LED light with me. That's actually a bicycle light. You can use it for safety purpose or also for making the road more lit up if it's dark in the night. So here's the box itself of the Sigma LED light. That's the Buster 100, and we are going to go into the detailed unboxing of this light, have a look at all of the features and what all are the mounts given inside the box. I've actually not opened the box, so let's begin with the video as of now. Okay, so the first impressions of the box go like it's a pretty nice box, and you feel that the light might be safe inside it. And on the front side, as you can see, they have given the Sigma Buster 100 LED front light, and this is something written in French or stuff like that. And on the back side you get all of the information regarding the lumens. So the highest lumen is 120, and it runs for 2 hours on 120 lumens. That's the power mode. Standard mode runs for like 4 hours, and it has 60 lumens. That's half of the light that you get. And the third mode is the eco mode, which has the lowest of the light, which is of no use, and you can't see the road in the eco mode, and it runs for 8 hours. Then comes the flashing mode, fast flashing mode, and SOS flashing mode. So we'll be checking all of these 6 things out in the night, not right now as it is a day and there's no use to check the light in the day. Okay, as you can see, this is the light itself, and now we'll be going into the detailed unboxing. And if you're wondering that why did I change the angle, it is because of the better view that you guys can get of the light. So I changed the angle. So now let's begin with the unboxing of the light, but before that, let's just see that it does support okay, yeah, so it supports charging. It's a micro USB, so that's a normal cable also might be provided inside the box. And here are the information given. As you can see, there's the battery control. This is, if it stays normal, it is 75%. If it turns on green, it is 25 to 75% charged, and if it is red, then it is less than 25%. So that all it is that indicates here are the mounting instructions, and this is all of the normal things that you get. So now let's just open the box and see what all do we get inside the box. So okay, nice packaging they've given. Sigma LED light. Let's just slide it like this. Okay, so this is a pretty good packaging, I'd say. So here's the light that you firstly get. So this is the LED light from Sigma Buster 100. So also the bicycle mounts are also given over here, and I'll be showing you that how to attach and detach this from the handlebar of your bicycle. So more of the things coming in the later part of the video. Okay, so besides the LED light, other things that you get is the manual, and obviously you won't be reading the manual, but just in case you need information that how to turn the light on and stuff like that. So here they have given what, 2 times you click, light turns on, 1 time you click, then it is standard, 2nd time eco, 3rd time flashing, 4th time fast flashing, and 5th time SOS flashing. Now SOS flashing is something interesting, and if you press and hold it for like 5 seconds, the light turns off, so that's a good thing. And here they show in what all directions the light falls. Here the mounting instructions, that obviously this video might be helping you to mount your LED light on the handlebar of your bicycle, and they've given the information to charge it. So this is please always keep the silicone plug closed after charging. they say this because dust might go inside your light, so that's the reason they say to keep the silicone plug closed while charging. USB cable is included, but I guess there's no charger included inside this light. So now let's see what more things that we get. Okay, so here's the USB cable that we are talking about, and you can guess this is a normal USB cable, not a type C. This is type A and this is a normal USB cable. So this is an extra mount, I suppose. If the first one, the original mount, if it breaks, then you can attach one more extra mount, so you need to keep it safe at a side. So now let us quickly see that how to remove this light from the mount. It's pretty easy. You have to just press it like this or push it backwards. Yeah, just to push it backwards and the light comes in your hand. So this is the light and this is the USB charging port these guys were talking about. So yeah, the build quality of the light is pretty good and it is lightweight. Like actually it is more light than the between lights that I usually used earlier. So pretty nice build quality. This is the mount that you get with the light. Sorry, my parrot has gone crazy and he's just shouting like hell because he wants me to go in the other room, so just ignore that. So now this is the screw. You should just unscrew this and it comes out. Just put it on the handlebar of your bicycle and close it like this. So this is the way you install it on the bicycle, but either ways I'll be helping you guys out how to mount this light on the handlebar of your bicycle. So yeah. Okay, so now let us see that how to install the USB cable on this particular light and how to charge this light. So it's I guess it is pretty simple. You have to install the cable from this side and not from this side, because the lining of the motherboard or whatever it is upwards, and in this case it is downwards. So if you install from this side like this, just push it inside and don't be scared, nothing is gonna happen to your light. So now the cable has been installed and now let's just charge the light and see what happens. Okay, so let's just turn this particular thing on and insert the USB cable of the light. So this is how the light looks with the USB cable. So now let's just install it like this and see what happens. Okay, so there's a red light, as you can see. Let me turn off the lights. Wait a second. Okay, so now this is what you see. So this is the red light. It means the light needs a bit charge, but for the sake of the video, for the timing, I won't be charging it. Let's just further continue with the video. So this is how you charge your light, and it's pretty simple. There's no such complicated way. So it's pretty simple to charge your light. So yeah, I hope. Now the most important thing that we all are waited to do is to turn on this light and test that how does this light perform in the night as well. Right now in the room, I'll be turning off all of the lights and then we'll be turning on this light and seeing that how this light actually is. So without wasting any further time, let's begin with our test number 1. So let's do this. Okay, so this is my room with all of the lights off, and this is the Sigma LED light. So you have to press this twice and oh my goodness, so just see the amount of brightness this light gives. Oh my goodness, so this is actually amazing. Let me turn it on towards the camera. You just can't see anything. You can see an LED frame because of the reflection. So this is the way the light is. So now let's just go towards the eco mode by pressing it once again. So this is the eco mode. No such great difference between the normal and the eco mode. Now this is the third mode, which is also known as the standard mode. So on this the light goes on the standard mode and it's not that great. So now let's just go towards the flashing mode. So this is the flashing mode that you get in the light. Now let's go on the fast flashing mode. So this is the fast flashing mode of the light, as you can see. And now the last mode is the SOS flashing mode. Okay, so this is the way the light is on the SOS flashing mode. It flashes like after 2 intervals, and then again it will go fast. So this is the way the light is on the SOS flashing mode. So now let's continue with the video. Okay, so now to turn this naughty boy off, you need to press this light 5, like you have to hold it for 5 seconds and the light will turn off. And the turning off animation is like really awesome, so just do this. Okay, so the light is off, and this is Sigma Buster 100 LED light for you. Okay guys, so this was the unboxing and review of the Sigma Buster 100 LED light, and I hope you liked this review or unboxing. And if you did, then go and hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you haven't already. In the next video, we'll be seeing that how to mount this particular light on the handlebar of the bicycle. It's pretty easy, but then I thought that let me make a separate video for it, as I've already made this video about the LED light. So the next video will be on the mounting of the LED light on the handlebar of your bicycle. So it might be coming in a few weeks, as I'm not that free because I have studies going on. I'm standard 11, so I make videos whenever I get time. So yeah.